Have you ever wondered what other sources of MS Dhoni's income are? Welcome to Thought Control, and here your answer of MS Dhoni was stripped of his BCCI contract for October 2019 to September 2020. While that raised legitimate doubts about his future in the Indian cricket team, it didn't really affect his net worth or earnings. In 2019, MS Dhoni managed to retain the number 5 spots on the Forbes India Celebrity 100 list. And interestingly, despite not playing test matches, his income rose from rupees 101.77 crore in 2018 to rupees 135.93 crore in 2019. Mahi has an array of businesses and ventures he has a stake in. He hails from a middle-class family, and savings or multiple investments just run in their blood. Even after retiring from tests and staying away from cricket for most part of last year, Dhoni is still the brand ambassador for most brands and has the glittery ad film career. Here we are looking where and how Dhoni makes his fortune apart from cricket. First and foremost, be prepared to be astonished by the number of sporting categories MS Dhoni has tapped into with his investments. From the sport close to his heart, football, remember he was a goalkeeper before coming to cricket, to the national sport of the country, Dhoni's wings flap in all of them. Number 1. 7. Now, here's a bit about how MSD knows what he is doing. 7 launched back in February 2016, and Dhoni was approached to be the brand ambassador. But he did them one better. Not only is he the brand ambassador, he also owns the footwear side of the brand, Master Stroke. Number 2. SportsFit World Private Limited. As we know it, Mahi is one of India's fittest sportspersons, and that pertains to his love affair with the gym. Interestingly, Dhoni has invested in this too. The former Indian skipper owns over 200 gyms across the country under the name SportsFit World Private Limited. Number 3. Chennai FC. MS Dhoni has a very close-knit relationship with football, and even though he couldn't make a career in it, the megastar is associated with it by virtue of owning a team in the Indian Super League. Dhoni owns a part of Chennai FC. His successor Virat also has his stake in an ISL team, Goa FC. Number 4. Mahi Racing Team India. Dhoni has a sacred place for bikes, and it is very much evident from his insane bike collection. However, what's interesting is that he also owns a racing team in the Super Sport World Championship. This ownership is in partnership with famous actor Akineni Nagarjuna. Number 5. Hockey team. If there was an option to invest in every single sport, we believe Dhoni would have. Yet another sports team investment for Dhoni comes in the form of a Ranchi-based hockey club, Ranchi Race. Number 6. Mahi Hotel. This is probably one of the least famous MSD business investments. Interestingly, he owns a hotel under the name Hotel Mahi Residency. The hotel is a one-off and does not have any other franchises, with its only brand located in Jharkhand. Number 7. Innumerable endorsements. While we are at it, let's shed some light on his infinite endorsements as well. Dhoni's net worth is only scaling by the passing day, and it breathes heavily from his popularity in the ad world. To name a few, Dhoni has endorsed Pepsi, Star, GoDaddy, Bose, Snickers, Videocon, Boost, Orient Electric, Netmeds, and many more. Thus, these are the different sources of Dhoni's income. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Keep watching Thought Control for more videos.